What's good? I'm Dee of Dee Valley Designs, a web and branding agency, and welcome to Wix Wednesdays, where we highlight one Wix feature you need on your website. Today we are talking about the back in stock notification. If you have a Wix website and you're an e-commerce brand, you should have this on your website. What are you doing? There is no reason in 2025 people should be blowing down your DMs asking, when are you restocking? When is this coming back in stock? Wix can do that automatically for you. Let me show you how to set it up. So to get started, you're going to head to your Wix dashboard and go to the catalog section on the left hand side and back in stock requests. Then click start collecting requests to enable it. So once it finishes loading, you should see a pop-up notification letting you know that it has been enabled. Go ahead and click got it. From here, this is your back in stock request dashboard where you will see all requests. So you want to make sure you go ahead and enable those automations so that your customers are emailed automatically once your item is back in stock. Next, I'm going to show you how it looks on the front end to your customers. So I'm going to go to a product and I'm going to change the inventory so that it shows out of stock. Now that it's been modified, I'm going to head to my website and go to that product that I just changed to be out of stock. So once I'm on the product, as you can see, I'm just choosing the different options so I can get to the end of the page. And as you can see, towards the end, there is a button that says notify when available. When I click on that, it will ask the customer for their email address. They'll put that in and go ahead and submit. And it's just that simple. So once this is submitted, you will receive a notification letting you know you have a new back in stock request. Once you update the product to say that it's in stock, your client or customer will also receive a notification letting them know that the product is back in stock. And from that email, they can click on it and it goes straight to the website, as you can see. Going back to the back in stock request dashboard, you can see that the customer was notified. And then you can also go to automations to see when the email was delivered, open, and even clicked. You can see additional information such as which device they use or the top links clicked in the email if you include multiple links. Let's say you wanted to take it a step further and customize the email that is automatically sent out to customers. You would click on preview and edit from the back and start request dashboard. And as you can see, it shows you the workflow of the automation. And then you can go ahead and go to the email, click edit, and customize it from here. You have several options to update the title, the subtitle, if you want to add any images, the choice is yours. So if you're still telling people when to restock, baby, what are you doing? Run to your website and turn this feature on and let your website do the work for you. If you found this helpful or just looking for more Wix tips, be sure to like and subscribe and meet you here next Wednesday for Wix Wednesdays, where we highlight one feature that you need on your website. Until next time.